easy to present one of these. We've got this emergency set. So it's the Cobra 39 XFM, known as the Cobra SOS, and we did manage to get 4 watts out of it. So hopefully Mr Chippie will be out there. I can't say I've heard much on it today, but you've got the snag with the adapter on twazzles the wire, haven't you, that these phono sockets are lossy. So I'll put it on Mega Chippie channel and see whether Mr Mega Chippie's out there. Tango 21 test.
Right, now on channel 31 again. It's snowing quite heavily.
Oh right, okay, we'll see that on the video then, won't we?
Roger.
So I have to remember the squelch works the opposite way on this. So that makes it hiss, and that's the tight setting. Tango 21, Mr Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, off we go.
Got time control?
Negative.
Roger that. Okay. Plenty of snow coming down here at the moment.
Well, that's not allowed.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Passing Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads. Over.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill as we go down towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill, and I'll be in Wilsford tomorrow playing the organ at the church for a funeral.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Cobra 39 XFM. which is the SOS emergency set. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Made by Maxon in 1982.
Roger.
Oh, and I forgot to stay doing a full 4 watts output.
Good. Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Oh, we both got it right this time.
Good. Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point. Over.
Roger on that, Mr Chippie. So I'm on the Cobra 39XFM SOS emergency radio. It doesn't have high-low power, so we're just going to do it on the 1 power setting. It's doing 4 watts, drawing 800 milliamps. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Excellent.
Right, back on the road again, and no, I can't sing in that octave.
Roger, back on the road it is then.
Tango 21 for Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rollsby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rollsby level crossing.
Yeah, same as yesterday, 149.7, 165.9.
Excellent, well that concludes the test, thank you.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
10-10.
Tango 21 for Mr Chippie. We're now going over the level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rollsby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price today?
Yeah, same as yesterday, 149.7, 165.9.
Excellent, well that concludes the test, thank you.
Yep, roger that,
10-10. Well, that worked great, didn't it? You know, it's an emergency set. It's got a bit of quite a simplistic receiver. We didn't have any silly interference today. The speaker in there is bigger than most mobiles these days. So that was great. We were going to do a field test with this, but the customer's collecting it tomorrow. So we are going to field test our one. So it'll still be the same result, but that's what we're going to do. We'll go over to our base station and see what that sounds like on that built-in Electret condenser mic.
Tango 21 testing the Cobra 39 XFM SOS emergency set with its built-in condenser microphone into our Midland 76900 base station at 4 watts. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And ever, hope you found it interesting, and thanks for watching.